Bill here with another edition of the Metals Minute. Today's Wednesday, November 10th, 2021. Well, last week we talked about the smash that was going on and that it was likely related to the Fed announcements made last Wednesday. We felt like it was a great buying opportunity and that as soon as people recognized what the Fed was talking about, the metals would shoot back up. We think they knew that ahead of time, and that's why the smash down effort was there. Turns out that was the case. The metals have come roaring back. Gold and silver are higher than they were before the smash, and it was an incredible opportunity. We hope you're able to take advantage of it. The good news is this rally has far to run. As we've talked about in different articles that are linked in this article, recession seems to be upon us or fast approaching. That's the missing ingredient for stagflation. We already have inflation that the government is recognizing at high levels. Now, one of the comments that Janet Yellen, the Treasury Secretary, recently made was that she believed that inflation would likely end this year and that next year it would return to 2%, and that we would not see 1970s style inflation. She claimed the Fed would not allow that to happen. Well, our take on that, and we've talked about that before, those of you that are readers of the blog or you've watched the Metals Minute for a while, you understand that inflation today is not calculated the same way it was calculated in the 70s. In fact, if we calculate it today the same way it was then, we're already at 1970s level inflation. And so it's like comparing apples to oranges. They just change the definition of what an orange is, and then they say that there's no way it will be the same. Well, the actual orange is still the same. And so inflation today is already at the levels of 1970 when you the 70s, 72, 74, when you calculate it the same way. So we're already there, and the recession appears to be looming. The indicators that have correctly predicted recession every year since 1973 are indicating that a recession is coming up very soon over the next few months. And sometimes it happens right away or right on the verge. So we don't know whether it's next month or it could be up to a year and a half out, but the indicators are there, and that will be good news for gold and silver going forward. And platinum is continuing to do well over short and medium term, and I believe that will continue. And the numbers are in the write-up, but we're going to see times and days where it's up and down, but we're in an upward trend. And the market technicians that look at gold and silver believe that we're in a really good place for a launch over the next couple of years. And I tend to agree with that. And we hope you're able to take advantage of this as well. So thanks a lot. We'll see you next week. Happy Veterans Day, by the way. Thank you to all you who have served and family members that have endured hardship on our behalf. Thank you.